Here is the patient of ours. James, when did we do your surgery?
About 2 months ago.
2 months ago. Now, James, as you can see, he's built. He's been in fitness for many years, right? How many years?
Over 15.
Good. So we did what surgery on you?
The neck and
Neck surgery.
back.
And your lower back,
Yes.
right? We did that the same day.
Yeah, the same day.
So if you come closer, here's what happened. He had a herniated disc of C5-6, pretty large and pretty bad, right? And so we used to do disc replacement for these procedures, but because of the disc being articulating disc, we designed an interbody device to fuse your neck, but not a disc replacement, right? So the reason I'm saying that is when we do the surgery with ACDF solar fuse, we actually stabilize the segment very strongly with compression screws. The patients have full range of motion. So show us your range of motion in your neck. This is 2 months, right? Come closer, I'll show you the incision. Lift up. Now, the incision is also in the center. We don't have incision over to the side. So we did this 2 months ago. Full range of motion. And when would you say you've had this much motion since surgery?
About a month ago.
A month ago. So for the first week or two, right, you're not going to be moving like that. But very quickly, that's what happened. The second surgery we did was bilateral pars repair at L5S1. You have the spondylolisthesis there, bilateral pars repair. So I want you to stand up for me and turn around. So here is incision, right? So there are 2 incisions, you can't see them anymore. One incision, we get the screw up, the other we do a decompression. You have to decompress F4-5 and around the pars defect before you repair it. Normally, he would get a full gill laminectomy and fusions with pedicle screws and cages. We avoided that. Show me your range of motion. Up and down. So 2 months after bilateral pars repair, we avoided pedicle screws and cages. We don't want to do that. And this is what we call assisted spine surgery.
Yeah.
Thank you for your trust.
Yeah. Hey.
This wasn't something you wanted to do lightly.
No, I didn't want to do it for you. That was scary.
You didn't want to do it, you know. But you trusted me, and we told you we're going to get you back up. And we did this outpatient, no hospital.
No hospital.
Any questions?
No, man, this was perfect, man. I mean, I don't feel pain like that because I can move, I can do everything I was doing before, so.
Well, the world is changing on spine surgery. Would you believe there was a time when I was in an academic center, you would be staying in the hospital a few days, we'd have done a lot of surgery on you. Today, we can do this outpatient and fast.
I see, I'm a believer.